Budapest and beyond!
It was Ervin Szabo, a sociologist, who established the public library network in Budapest at the beginning of the 12th century. Now more than 110 years old, Metropolitan Ervin Szabó Library has 48 branches in 23 districts of Budapest. The Central Library started operating in 1931 in this building, the historical Wenckheim Palace. This neo-baroque palace was built between 1887 and 1889. Now, its decorative rooms can be seen in their original beauty. As you enter the building, it looks like a regular library, but with fancy doors. But when you take the elevator to the 4th floor, it is like you stepped into another, much more fancy world. From the top of the grand staircase, visitors to the palace could enter 3 rooms. The place for the orchestra is between the 2 ballrooms, so musicians could play in both directions. The former dining room and smoking room are different from the white and gold, and are covered in a more relaxing, darker wood. Tourists have to pay a small fee of about €4 to meander.